Hey food lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of fusion cuisine and some crazy, delicious food mashups. These days, chefs are getting bolder than ever, blending flavors from different cultures to create dishes that are totally unique and, sometimes, mind-blowingly good. So, if you're someone who loves trying adventurous eats, or if you're just curious to know what's happening in the world of food innovation, stick around. This is going to be deliciously wild. 1. What is fusion cuisine? Alright, so what exactly is fusion cuisine? It's basically when you mix ingredients, techniques, or flavors from different culinary traditions to make something new and exciting. Imagine taking the best of Japanese and Mexican flavors, or blending Italian with Thai. Fusion cuisine is all about making that magic happen. Now, it doesn't always work, but when it does, you get something unforgettable. So today, I've picked out some of the coolest food mashups that'll have you drooling. 2. Korean tacos. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest hits in fusion food, Korean tacos. This mix brings together Mexican tortillas and toppings with the sweet, savory, and spicy flavors of Korean barbecue. Picture this: tender marinated beef or pork, kimchi, gochujang sauce, all wrapped up in a warm tortilla and topped with fresh cilantro and lime. The flavors are just explosive. And the best part? Korean tacos have taken off so much that you can find them in food trucks all over, especially in cities like Los Angeles. It's the ultimate mashup of street food cultures. 3. Sushi burritos. Up next, we have sushi burritos. If you've ever wanted sushi on the go, this is it. It's basically a giant sushi roll but in burrito form, packed with rice, fresh fish, avocado, veggies, and sometimes even unique sauces like spicy mayo or teriyaki. You get that handheld convenience, and because it's so customizable, people have gone crazy with the flavors, adding everything from spicy tuna to mango salsa. It's a perfect example of how fusion cuisine brings flavors we love into totally new formats. 4. Ramen burgers. Alright, here's one that's both weird and wonderful: ramen burgers. Instead of a regular bun, you've got crispy, fried ramen noodles holding the burger together. Inside, it's usually a juicy patty with classic toppings, plus a sauce that's got some Asian-inspired kick. It's crunchy, savory, and surprisingly delicious. Ramen burgers started as a bit of an experiment at food fairs in New York, but people loved them so much that they caught on. If you love ramen and burgers, you definitely need to give this a try. 5. Butter chicken pizza. This next one's for all the pizza fans: butter chicken pizza. This fusion is where Indian and Italian cuisines come together in the best possible way. Imagine a pizza topped with that creamy, spicy buttered chicken sauce, along with chunks of tender chicken, onions, and maybe even a sprinkle of cilantro. The pizza dough is a great match for soaking up that sauce, and you get that perfect balance of spices and creamy goodness. This one's super popular in places like Canada, where there's a big Indian community, and it's the kind of fusion that just works. 6. Mexican sushi. Alright, this one's a little different: Mexican sushi. It's exactly what it sounds like: sushi rolls with a Mexican twist. Imagine sushi rolls stuffed with carne asada, jalapenos, avocado, and sometimes even a spicy chipotle sauce. Some places deep fry the rolls, giving them an extra crispy texture. The mix of fresh flavors with that spicy, rich kick from Mexican ingredients is pretty unique. It's fusion cuisine that truly surprises you with every bite. 7. French toast tacos. Now, let's talk about something sweet: French toast tacos. For all the breakfast lovers out there, this one's a dream. It's basically French toast folded into a taco shape, filled with all kinds of goodies like fresh berries, whipped cream, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Some versions even add bacon for that perfect sweet-salty combo. This is one of those mashups that makes you wonder why it hasn't been around forever, because it's just so good. It's perfect for brunch, dessert, or even a special breakfast treat. 8. Pho grilled cheese. Next up, we've got pho grilled cheese. Pho, a classic Vietnamese noodle soup, has a rich, aromatic broth, fresh herbs, and tender meat, flavors that are unforgettable. But in this mashup, those flavors are turned into a grilled cheese sandwich. Usually, they'll add a bit of rare roast beef, fresh basil, and even a hint of pho broth to give it that authentic flavor. When it's all grilled up, you get this cheesy, gooey, aromatic sandwich that's part comfort food, part pho. It's one of those ideas that sounds strange at first, but then you taste it, and it just makes sense. 9. Spicy tuna nachos. Let's move on to something bold, spicy tuna nachos. This dish takes the concept of Mexican nachos and gives it a Japanese twist. Instead of tortilla chips, sometimes they use crispy wontons or seaweed, and they're topped with fresh spicy tuna, avocado, and a drizzle of sriracha mayo. You get that perfect balance of crunchy, spicy, and fresh in every bite. It's like sushi, but with the satisfying crunch of nachos. This one's perfect for parties, and it's got that addictive flavor that keeps people coming back for more. 10. Ice cream tacos. And finally, we're ending with something sweet and delightful, ice cream tacos. Imagine a taco shell made from a waffle cone, filled with scoops of ice cream, chocolate sauce, sprinkles, and maybe even whipped cream on top. It's a dessert mashup that combines the fun of tacos with everyone's favorite sweet treat. Plus, it's super customizable. You can add cookie crumbs, fruit, or whatever your heart desires. Ice cream tacos are the kind of fusion that brings a smile to everyone's face, and they're perfect for summer days or just whenever you're craving something extra indulgent. And there you have it, 10 incredible food mashups and fusion creations that are taking the culinary world by storm. Fusion cuisine isn't just about blending ingredients. It's about bringing people together, sharing cultures, and trying something new. Let me know in the comments which of these mashups you'd try, or if you've got a favorite fusion food you'd recommend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more food adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.